Hello guys, I am here at the Opera House Bengaluru to check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 and here is my overview on the Tab S4. You are watching Techie Mania and let's get started. So first of all, let me show you the main specs of this tab on the screen. It has 10.5-inch display with 16:10 aspect ratio. This tab is powered by Snapdragon 835 with 4 or 6GB RAM variants and with 64 or 256GB internal storages. Whereas the 6GB RAM variant is available only in Korea, so that means it is not gonna come to India. It has 13 megapixel rear camera and has an 8 megapixel front shooter which also shoots an average photos. It comes with 7300 mAh battery with the support of fast charging. So let's talk about the price. This is priced at 57,900 rupees for the only variant available in India, that is the one with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, which is really high. And the keyboard you see here is the book cover, for which you have to pay an extra amount of 6k, and I really don't feel that paying this much amount is worthy, but that's that. It's the price declared by Samsung. The only thing that I like about this tab is it comes with the support of S Pen and has all the features which we see in the Note devices. It supports Samsung DeX, so once you remove the tab from the book cover, it works as a normal tab, and once you connect to the pins in the book cover, it launches it to one more interface which looks entirely different. Basically, it tries to give you a feel of using a laptop, but it is Android. The interface looks similar to laptop, and this tab runs Android 8.0 out of the box. And normally people buy tab for playing games, and this satisfies you at this part. With Snapdragon 835, 4GB of RAM, it can run almost all games without any lag. Coming to security, even though this tab does not have a fingerprint scanner, it has face unlock and iris scanner. They work really well, but you guys are taking 58k, not even providing a fingerprint scanner. It's bad, dude, really bad. On the bottom of the device, we have a USB Type-C port with the support of fast charging. It also has 2 speakers here and 2 speakers on the other side, so it has 4 speakers in total. So you guys are going to get a great immersive experience with this device. And yes, it has a headphone jack. And this also has a support to SIM and an expandable storage up to 512GB. And good that Samsung did not skip on any of the essential sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, etc. And yeah, let me show you the display quality of this by playing a video. As it is Super AMOLED, it looks as good as other devices, but the PPA of this device is too low, that is 287 pixels per inch, so if you see clearly, you can see the pixels. So guys, that's all about the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe the channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video.